One AI chatbot inside our company was consuming up to 100,000 tokens to answer a single business question. Here's what happened. One of our engineers, Vigneshwaran, wanted to work on a real AI project. So I gave him a real business problem. Build an AI chatbot inside our project management system. Managers should be able to ask questions like, how many hours did Bala spend on project X? A week later, he came back with a working chatbot. We connected it to our production database. The next morning, I opened our AI dashboard. One number immediately caught my attention. Every question was consuming between 50,000 and 100,000 tokens. Imagine reading an entire short novel just to answer one simple question. I quickly did the math. If just 80 employees used this every day, the AI bill would become massive. Vigneshwaran said, Sir, our database is large. Should we increase the AI budget? I said, No. Throwing money at a problem is almost never the real fix. Instead, I asked, Walk me through exactly what happens when someone asks a question. The AI was calling multiple APIs, reading the responses, and reasoning before generating an answer. Then I realized something. Vigneshwaran wasn't wrong. This is how we've built software for years. Call APIs, process data, return the result. That's traditional software engineering. But AI changes the economics. Every reasoning step costs tokens. Every token costs money. The problem wasn't the AI model, it was the architecture. Then I remembered something a senior AI architect once told me. The AI should never touch your data. Let the AI generate only the SQL query. Your backend executes it and returns the result. I shared that idea with Vigneshwaran. He improved it further by adding semantic search. Instead of checking all 50 database tables, the AI first identified the 5 most relevant tables, then generated the SQL query. The result? Token usage dropped from 50,000 to 100,000 tokens to just 500 to 2,000 tokens. That's a 98% reduction. Same answers, lower cost, faster, more secure. That project changed how I think about AI. AI isn't reducing the value of senior engineers, it's increasing it. Writing code is getting easier, designing the right architecture is becoming the real advantage. If you're building an AI product, what's been your biggest challenge? Let me know in the comments.